시간에는 hiccups를 읽어보도록 하겠습니다. Keeper was having fun with Ray. They had a drink. Said Keeper. He had hiccups. Quick, get a cup of water, said Ray. Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Ray. Said Keeper. Drinking like this, said Beth. Did that get rid of them? Said Beth. Said Keeper. Try hopping and parrying your tongue, said Chef. Has that get rid of them? Said Chef. Said Keeper. A shock we got rid of it, said Beth. Shh, said Beth. Then, boom! You did it, said Keeper. You got rid of my hiccups, said Grandpa Chan. The end.